Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening to do for my watchgang Black membership for October 2018. No, I didn't get mine super late, I just haven't had a chance to get around to make some videos. So plus I was so far behind on some of the other ones, I wanted to try and get caught up a little bit, but not quite there yet. So I've actually had this one for a couple weeks now. Has it been that long? At least a week or so. And I have not had a chance to open it yet. So let's take a look at what we got. As you guys know, the watchgang Black membership is the $99 membership. And watchgang is celebrating 2 years. I wasn't quite there from the beginning. I originally signed up in December 2 years, almost 2 years ago, and have been with them ever since. So pretty cool that they're celebrating 2 years. Looks like I received a blacklist watch. So let's take a look here. Oops. We got our warranty card. I actually kind of like that blue. A little different. Stainless. Blacklist Street Matic. Let's see if I can pull some of the plastic off really quick. Sometimes the amount of plastic they put on some of these is crazy. Looks like we got another, just kind of a stamped bracelet, or buckle I should say. Actually, I saw a number of the blacklist watches on the exchange page, but I don't know that I really saw that light blue around the dial there. All right, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. But I do like that light blue. Looks like we maybe have a carbon fiber dial. Could be wrong, but it does have that carbon fiber pattern there. I like that light blue. Pretty cool. Pretty cool touch with the little bit different color blue on the second hand there. Serial number. Huh. Not even sure what movement we got in that. Just says Swiss movement. My guess is it's a Swiss quartz movement or some sort, because I don't think that one's an auto. Go ahead and semi throw it on here, so at least we can see kind of what it looks like on wrist. I like how big the links are in the bracelet. Not too bad. I do like that lighter blue. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.